Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajullah Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about benzyne intermediate. So what is benzyne? So compound which contain this triple bond in benzene. We are saying this is benzyne structure. You see, in benzene, this extra bond is not there. So what will happen here? P orbital, you can see, and these two, which one is green, is sp2 orbitals. So you know, in benzene, all carbon in sp2 hybridized. So sometimes helpful to think of the triple bonded form as being in resonance with two charge forms. So maybe this bond in this form, you see the poor overlapping between the two adjacent sp2 orbitals. This is positive, this is negative, and it is under resonance. This is known as benzyne, which is an intermediate, and maybe this negative here and here. So what is the meaning of elimination addition reaction? Why we are talking about elimination addition reactions or mechanism? Because the formations of benzyne occurs in this type of reactions. So first elimination occurs, then additions. Any reaction that proceed by the elimination addition mechanism, often called the arine mechanism. The bases used commonly are stronger than those used in the reaction preceding by the addition elimination reactions. So addition elimination mechanisms. Also in this reaction, the aromatic ring does not need to be activated by the electron withdrawing substituents, although a reasonable leaving group, usually a halide, must be present. So such type of structure should be there for the eliminations addition mechanism. How people know this type of reaction is elimination addition mechanisms? Through the benzyne intermediate. When people know about the benzyne, so this is, you see, this structure is simple bromobenzene. It undergo in liquid ammonia, and here NH2 group. It look like additions, no, substitutions reactions, but actually what will happen here, additions and elimination both happen in an arine intermediate. So you can see here also, actually this part is formed when you have the chlorobenzene NaNH2, which is NH2 is a strong nucleophile and forming this benzyne, and then in place of NH2. If you go through from this structure to structure, it is very difficult to find out what happened here. Now you see the benzyne maybe this way and this way. So in benzyne, the pi orbital of benzyne, you can see here, normal pi bond, 2 p orbitals inside the ring. Abnormal pi bond, 2 sp2 orbital outside the ring. You see outside the ring, this is abnormal. So what happened? What is the mechanism? So this nucleophile approach this proton, and meanwhile this. So this is the eliminations. Now addition NH2 and then this hydrogen. Then it becomes this proton. That's why saying first eliminations and then addition. So elimination, additions, reaction. The intermediate with a triple bond is called benzyne. For substituted aromatic compound, this type of intermediate is called an arine. In benzyne, the end of the triple bond are equivalent and either can react with a nucleophile. The triple bond in an arine is not a normal triple bond. The 6-membered ring does not allow the normal linear configurations of the two sp hybridized carbon atoms and their substituents. Thus, the carbon remains sp2 hybridized and the triple bond remains the sigma bond and pi bond. and a third bond formed by overlap of the sp2 hybridized orbital that formerly bonded with the bromine and hydrogen atoms. This third bond is in the plane of the benzene ring and contains 2 electrons. You can see this nucleophile approaching these protons. After this 2 bond broken, elimination occurs, benzyne form. And then again you can see here additions occur. In this reaction also you can see NH2 group is here. It is very difficult to find out this product. But if you know the benzyne intermediate, easily you know here is the triple bond. So this position and this positions, both position is favorable. Now the next example you see, if attaching here benzyne form, now there is a possibility for on here and here both. Furan is also react with this intermediate and trapping this intermediate, forming this product. So if you have such types of substrate, then you will get this benzyne intermediate and you will get this product. Now you see here CH3Cl, if react in NH2 groups, so it is not reaction here, NH2 group is forming in this position. So this is actually, if you know the intermediate benzyne, you know all these things. Friend, hope this video will helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.